Hi everyone, my name is Roxy and thank you for joining us today. Hope you all are doing great, and I really hope by the end of the webinar you will get a better idea of our product and you will learn how to work with it. Today, I want to start with you from scratch to show how quickly you can create content and assessments with iSpring Suite, put a course right into iSpring Learn LMS, and deliver it to your employees. As many of you know, iSpring products are PowerPoint add-ins, and that's why they are user-friendly, very intuitive, and easy to navigate. So you don't need to have an IT guy or to be one to do that. Moreover, iSpring has excellent customer service and an award-winning support team. And I also have great news for those who are planning to purchase iSpring. We'll be running special offer later in November. And the best thing about this is that it covers both iSpring Suite, authoring tool, and iSpring Learn LMS. If you are interested, please send your email or phone number in chat so that I can get back to you and provide you with more information about this offer. So I think that we are ready to start. Okay, and today we will start by creating a course that helps my learners to deal with angry customers. This will be just a general overview of iSpring Suite capabilities so that you will have a better idea of the product. And if you need any specific features, please let us know, and we have probably already had a webinar about them. So first of all, I always start my course with iSpring templates, which is right here. And so I'm going to iSpring content library slide templates. Okay. It's very helpful for most creators to have a library with a lot of different types of templates, characters, and backgrounds. And when you open a template, you can see different ready-made slides on different parts of a course, such as title, main menu, definitions, quote, process, and even timeline. So let's choose the first one for my course. Okay, and I'm changing the picture right here. And I've already pre-created a resource folder with all pictures and text, so just to save my time. Okay, I want to choose this one, and here I'm just adding the name of my course. Okay, and a brief description. Great. So let's discuss the keys to successful communication. And the first one is active listening. So I'll go to iSpring Content Library Backgrounds right here. Click on it, and I want to choose the picture of offices. Okay, this one will be great. Let me also quickly add a desk from my resource folder, and also a laptop. So let's make our course more interactive, and to do that, I'll go to iSpring Content Library Characters right here. So to find the best character, I wanna set up filters, and here I wanna see her smiling and sitting. Okay, this Holly will be great. Okay, and this Holly will guide my learners through the course. And let me also quickly add a word bubble right here. So the key to any successful communication is active listening. Okay, let's emphasize this statement about active listening by adding a video with 6 useful tips on how to become an active listener. And to do that, I will just duplicate this slide just to save my time. Okay, now I will delete my character and I will change the picture of my laptop. All right. So, and now I'm going on the main iSpring Suite ribbon, and you can see right here the YouTube button. I'll click there, and here I enter the link to this video from YouTube. Click on OK, and now it's uploading to my course. Sometimes it takes a little bit time to do that. Let me zoom in it. Okay, that's great. So, and here I will add a new word bubble. Okay, great. So this slide is done. So, and yes, I also forgot to mention that also you are welcome to add a web object right from iSpring Suite main ribbon. And you can also add screen recording to your course in just few clicks. And we have a whole webinar about screen recording. And if you want to learn more about it, please let us know. Okay, we're moving on. So next, another key of successful communication with angry clients is to not get emotional. And to save my time, I will just duplicate this slide, number 2, and I will change the emotion of my character. I'm going back to iSpring's content library characters, and I want to see my character neutral. Okay, this one would be great. And I also need to change a word bubble. Okay, great. So to help my learners not get emotional, I will add a simple step-by-step plan in the form of an interaction. And to do that, I will go to iSpring Interactions, which is right here. I click on that. Okay, let me click Save it. New interaction. And I will choose the first type of interaction is steps. So as you can see, you can definitely add introduction and summary slides right to your interaction. So, and here, let's add first step. So first step is remain calm. And here I'm adding the description and also a picture that I want to see in this interaction. Okay, so next slide is listen and empathize. This is next step number 2. And the description. Here is the picture. Okay, Step number 3 is apologize. And the description. And I'm inserting a picture right here. Okay. And I also need to add a step. The next step is find a solution. Step number 4, the description right here. And a picture. I want to make it bigger. So the next step, the last one, is take a break. Okay, this is step number 5. And just a brief description. Okay, so I think that my interaction is done and I can definitely preview it. Just click on right here. Okay, so iSpring Suite 9 has 12 new interactions for use in a huge variety of training situations. With these interactive templates, you can present your training content and engage learners. For example, interactions will help you show product development stages, transaction cycles, or the history of your company. So now I think that my interaction looks great, and I just close preview and save and return to course. Okay, so when you think that your course is done, you can quickly add a quiz to check your learner's knowledge. Okay, to create the quiz, I will go to the main ribbon of iSpring and I'll click on quiz right here. With iSpring Quiz Maker, you can create beautiful assessments, set up custom scoring, and evaluate employees' progress online. And as you can see, you can create either survey or graded questions. And I will choose the first one, graded one. So in the questions tab, you can see different types of questions that you can choose, such as multiple response, true or false, matching, hotspot, drag and drop, essay, and many others. And if you would like to learn more about iSpring Quiz Maker, we will be happy to provide you with links to our workshops and video tutorials. Okay, so I will start my quiz with the info slide right here. And I'm adding the picture that I need. Okay, and a brief and just the name of the quiz. Let me quickly customize it and make it more visually appealing. Okay. Oh, just a second. Okay, so info slide is done. And okay, I will choose multiple response for my first question. In here, I'm adding a question to, okay, and here are the answers. So my question is, when dealing with angry customers, you should. The first choice is listen actively. The next one will be keep your emotions under control. The next one I wanted to add is prove that they are wrong. And the last one, make them apologize. And here, do not forget to mark the correct answers. In my case, it's actively listen actively and keep your emotions under control. I also wanted to add a picture to my quiz. And in the slide view, you can definitely customize this slide. Just right here. I want to send her to back. And I'm making more appealing. Okay, and that's great. So, next question that I want to choose will be true or false. And here I'm adding a question and the picture. In the slide view, I'm customizing it. Okay. Oops. Send to back. Okay, great. And the last one that I want to choose is essay. Okay. I'm typing it here and adding the picture. Great. And I want to send it to back. Okay, that's great. And if you would like to get quiz results, you can easily set it up. And to get quiz results sent to your email, you can go to properties right here and add quiz instructors, which is right here. Just mark it and type instructor's email. And also you can send reports to user's email. Just click on here. Okay, I think that my quiz is done, and I'm saving and returning to course. Oh, I also forgot to mention, and you can definitely make your quiz more personalized. You can ask for users' details, and you can ask for their department, their name, phone number, company. Yes, and you will get all the information of the user who took or who takes this course. Okay, our course is done and we are ready to publish it. I'm going to main ribbon and click on publish right here. You can just convert it to and save it on your computer. You can publish it to iSpring Learn account or to your current LMS system or right to your YouTube channel. In my case, I'm going to publish the course right to my iSpring Learn account. I'm clicking publish right here. Okay. And while my course is uploading to iSpring Learn LMS, let me tell you a bit about it. iSpring Learn is an online training platform that allows you to host your courses, hold training sessions and webinars, create learning paths, track users' results, issue certificates, and even sell courses. And it's very intuitive. It has very intuitive interface. That's one of the reasons why our clients love iSpring Learn LMS. Plus, iSpring Learn is perfectly compatible with iSpring Suite, so your courses can be uploaded directly to your iSpring Learn account. Plus, you can get iSpring Learn and iSpring Suite together as a bundle. I'm not going to show you all the features of iSpring Learn in detail right now, but I will just quickly go over them. And we will be happy to send you the link to our detailed iSpring Learn webinar if you like. And again, please let us know in the chat box. Okay. So when my course is uploaded to iSpring Learn LMS, it immediately opens. As you can see, there are a few tabs in your iSpring Learn account. There are some settings that can be applied to your course, such as certificate, gamification, e-commerce, viewing restrictions, catalog, and guestbook. You can definitely notify admins when a user completes the course. You can run different type of reports on this course. Um, okay, and on the comments tab, you can see comments on your course. In the users tab, you can see who is assigned to this course. And of course, you can assign a course to a specific user. And to do so, I'm going to iSpring Permissions tab and click on Change right here. Now you can add users. Now you can add users' email, or if the user is already added to your iSpring Learn account, just type her or his name. Okay, and click on Save. So now this course is assigned to this user, John Smith. Now I want to mention that iSpring Learn LMS has a really great tracking feature. If you upload an iSpring course directly to iSpring Learn LMS, you will get much more detailed statistics than you would get from a SCORM package. There are a lot of different types of reports in the report section. You can run reports on various things in your account, such as quiz, simulation, task reports, people, content, e-commerce, event, and learning path activities. Let's run a performance summary report. So this report allows you to track how users are progressing, so you can get a comprehensive understanding of how your learners are doing. So I'm going to choose all content, all organizations, all groups, and all time, and run report. Okay, when it's done, you can see it below right here. You can definitely export it to PDF, CXV. You can definitely print it or email. So, so this report includes date, content title, username, organization, group. You can definitely see score of your users, their status. You can definitely see how many slides users viewed and how much time users spent on this or that course. So, okay, guys, we did a great job in about 40 or 30 minutes. And this is just one of many examples of what can be created with iSpring. And thank you for your attention. And now I'm ready to take some Q&A.
Thank you very much, Roxy. I think it was a wonderful session, and really, as I said previously, short and sweet about what iSpring is really capable of, but actually it has much, much more capabilities. And I would also like to mention that the course that Roxy has been using and actually creating today, guys, we have had we sorry, we were creating it in 60 seconds at the DevLearn conference that we went to. I would like to also mention that we have been adding pre-created quiz and pre-created interactions, but actually it is possible to build course from the pre-created content in as less time as 60 seconds. So yeah, that's a great opportunity. I would also like to mention at this point again that we are going to have a special offer. So if you guys are considering purchasing either iSpring Suite or iSpring Learn LMS, please send us your email address or phone number in the chat box so that we can get back to you after the webinar to provide to share with you more details about this offer. And also this webinar has been recorded, so I will share the link to this session with you guys as soon as it's uploaded to YouTube and our website. And yes, let's move on to our Q&A right now. And I see that Sophia has been taking care of some of the questions coming in earlier. So thank you very much, Sophia, for doing that.
You're very welcome.
Okay, so yeah, I would also like to help you. I'm sorry, I would also like to ask you, Sophia, to help us with the questions because I think maybe Roxy will need some help. So the first question is from Teresa. Thank you, Roxy. How long are the statistics kept in the reports? And I would like to address this question to Sophia.
Basically, you can store your statistics wherever you want. However, you can delete the statistics after updates in, for example, your course or a quiz. It doesn't matter. So your statistics will be stored on our services as soon as you want to delete it from the settings. So if you go to the settings, I'm not sure whether I can share my screen, Paulina.
Yes, so do you want me to enable that feature for you?
Yeah, it will be wonderful.
Okay.
Do you see my screen right now?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Okay, great. So if you want to reset the statistics to get new ones, then you should go to the settings, then 1 moment, additional options, and here you will be able to reset it by clicking on this option called Reset Statistics. After that, you can select a course or a quiz wherever you want and select a group of users or only one user or some people. After that, you proceed to the next window and click, for example, on So you will see this window to make sure that you entered all the information correctly, and after that you will be able to reset your statistics. So you will not see that the statistics anymore after resetting it.
Okay, thank you very much. And the next question I would like to address to Roxy. Eve is asking, can we see the final product, meaning the course that you have created?
Oh, oh yes, sure. Yes, we can definitely. You can definitely see the course that I have just created. Let me get back to it, and I'm clicking right here in on preview tab.
Mhm.
Okay, now it's generating the content. And it takes just a few seconds to generate it. Okay, so this is what I've just created. First slide, next slide, and here your user can watch this video. Just click on the button play right here on this video, and next, and this is interaction. Here are 5 steps. And this is quiz. So first, nope, let's choose listen actively. Okay, great. Continue, and they say false. It's incorrect. Continue, and here you can express your verbal feedback. I'm just typing something here and submit. So, yep, this is how it works, and I didn't pass my course.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, so
Yeah, you can also set the passing score, right?
yes,
So that
sure.
it doesn't have. Okay, wonderful. Thank you very much. Yeah, Eve says thanks. I also see a question from Sandra. Do you have a schedule for the upcoming webinars? Yes, we definitely do, and it's available on our website. Let me quickly share the link with you in the chat box. So it would be iSpringSolutions.com/webinars. Okay, just a moment. By the way, there, guys, you're welcome to enter your email address, and this way you will be subscribed to our webinar mailings, and will always keep up to date with our schedule, because I'm sending the invitations out every week before the webinar. Hope that helps, Sandra. Okay, so just one moment, I will jump to the next question. Okay. I think this question is for Sophia Moore from Selman. Are there ways to embed an iSpring course into a website?
Hi, Salman. Thank you for asking this question. Yeah, sure. So you can easily embed your presentation course or quiz on your website or blog, or publish your course as a scoring package to upload it to your LMS. However, let me just quickly show you our instructions on our website on how to embed a presentation to the blog or to the website. So let me just find this article for you. I see that, and let me share a link with you in the public chat so that you can follow this link and look into these instructions. So I sent these instructions to all of you guys.
Thank you very much. Question from Judy. Can you go back to the video slide? How does a user know to play the video? Is it obvious to the user? So Roxy, maybe you can preview just the slide with the video to show how it looks. And we can't hear you.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's
Yes,
fine.
I can definitely do that. And let me quickly show you.
By the way, guys, I'm seeing you sending the email addresses and phone numbers I mean, those of you who are interested in the special, I will collect all of them and Roxy will get back to you after the webinar. So yes, I'm seeing all of them. I just I don't have time to respond to each of you, but thank you very much for your interest.
Yes, thank you, Paulina. Okay, so, sorry. So this preview just shows just the whole webinar and I'm sorry, the whole course and just my slides. And I think to show this video, I need to go to the course. Okay, something.
Can you click on the playback button maybe?
Right here?
No, if you go back to your account in the LMS.
Oops.
iSpring Learn, yeah.
Oops, sorry. Okay, and
on the bottom bar. Cancel? And on the bottom bar, yeah. So maybe
nope.
No. Yeah.
No, it doesn't show me. Oh. Okay. Cancel. Oh, sorry. Yes. Well, it actually should be right here when you preview this entire your presentation, and when your user takes this course, they're seeing right here like a YouTube video, like the video right from YouTube, but just in your just on your this slide. I would actually like to show how it works, and I'm sorry, but I have no idea why it doesn't allow me to do that. And Sonia, do you have any idea what I can what
Please, please don't worry, Roxy and guys. Basically, if you click on the YouTube button, not here, Roxy, but yeah, please click that. You will see the link as an example. So you can just embed this link to the video link section, and after that, you will be able to preview the whole video. So, and after embedding this video to your presentation, you will be able to see that in the preview or after publishing. So, yeah, so you can just simply check that by adding this example to this section.
Okay, let me do that right away.
Roxy, may I a bit interrupt you? I think it's better to use another slide.
Oh, yes, I see.
Without any videos, yeah, just in case.
Okay. So this,
for example, a new slide, yeah.
I think I know what happened. I think when you were editing the slide with the video, you deleted the actual video, but then you left the picture of it.
Yes,
The placeholder actually of this video.
Placeholder,
so that's
right?
why. So that's why you didn't see the published results.
Maybe we can redo it and I mean just add any video, yeah, and convert it and show how it's gonna look after conversion.
Okay, so let me preview it right away. Just a few seconds. Okay, so oops. Okay, and next one. Yes. So
Here it is.
yes, and this is how this video looks like on our website. Oh, I'm sorry, on our course.
Also, please keep in mind, guys, that when you add this video to your slides, you will see only a placeholder, not a whole video. And to play it, you should preview your presentation or publish it to the computer or wherever you want.
Thank you very much, ladies. And let's do cover the next question. So here were a couple of questions about this, and maybe Sophia can help with this one. How can we add the presenter video on the final project?
Thank you for 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 this, Paulina. So basically, you can add video narrations into your presentation. Roxy, can you please open manage narration? It will be wonderful. Manage narration, here. So basically, you can add the ready-made or pre-made videos, or record your own videos or audio narrations and synchronize them later. And also you can synchronize your video narrations with animations, but please keep in mind that your animations should be set it up as on-click animations. Also, for your video lectures, you can select different player in the player if you click on the player button. So when you click it, maybe I can share a screen. I think it's better. Paulina?
Yep.
Thank you very much. So let me go back to the to my presentation. So basically I have some lags, I suppose. Oh no, that's fine. So when you click on player, you will be able to see multiple players here, player or none. If you want to display a slide with a video presenter or with a talking head, so let me just, it's better here, and in the top right corner, you will be able to see the presenter's video. However, if you want to see to show present a video and a slide, then it's better to use a video lecture. So one moment. So here it is. So to sum up, you record your video narrations and audio narrations in the managed narration, or import pre-made ones, and after that you go to the player and customize it wherever you want, whatever you want. Yeah. So choose a full version of the player called universal or a video lecture, depends on your needs.
And can you also show how to add voice to a training? Or at
Sure.
least where should we go to do that?
Yeah. Okay. So I will go back to manage narration, and here you will be able to import your ready-made audio narrations, or you can record them. So if you click this button called record audio, you will see this panel where you can start recording. And also I has only one slide. And if I click on start record, So you will be able to go to the next slide. However, I have only one here, so that's why I cannot go to the next slide. So you can resume or cut or stop, click on done. You can listen to this audio narration, and after that, it will appear right here in the audio section. And to listen to this audio narration, you have to click on preview or publish a presentation.
Mm-hmm. Thank you very much. And we also have a couple more questions from Justin. One of them is from Justin. If we are building course for our 50 licenses, how do those people log onto the interface? What does the home screen look like to them? And is it configurable by us? So can they customize, I guess, the student dashboard? That would be.
Or thank you for this question, Justin. Actually, it depends on what Justin meant, because I think but the authorization form here, when you just log into your account, just let me show you on the incognito mode. One moment. So
I guess
just in case. So when you're trying to log into your account, you will see this authorization form called "Welcome Back." You cannot basically, there is no way to change the background or to change the color scheme of the authorization form. However, you can easily change the text here. So you can type a text that you need in the languages. Oh, 1 moment. I will show you. In the language section. So you just download the template, change the text, type your own text, and see the results. And as for the user portal here, you can customize another color scheme for users or for your accounts. For example, if I go to the branding tab, I will be able to change account logo, color scheme, for example, red one, click on save, and after that, I will be able to see how it looks in the user portal. Also, I can change some information if I go to the additional options and click on user portal. So here, you will see that in the main settings, this is you can change the welcome title, hello, this one, then instruction message or description of your account, etc. here. And also you can sort courses by status, title, duration, due date, and enable history, discussions, or enable private messaging. Also, you can select different languages for your accounts. If you, again, go back to the settings, click on the additional options, and select language. So there are some kind of language versions of user portal or of user portal, and you will be change the text for authorization form to here if you download the template. I think that's all.
Thank you very much. And we another question is from Kennedy. Just a moment. Could I see what the public, and I'm not sure if you can show it right now, but her question is, could I see what the public dashboard looks like for the iSpring LMS for the customer who comes to your site interested in buying a course?
So as I got here right, you mean that you embedded some kinds of presentation of courses to your website, for example, and the customer wants to buy that, and after that, he will be transferred to the iSpring Learn LMS, right? If so, you can easily customize SSO, a single sign-on for your system. And to get more information, we will be really happy to help you, to assist you with that. If you can send us an email to support@iSpringSolutions.com, I think.
Yeah, probably that would be the best way to do that. I'm sharing the email address right now, support@iSpringSolutions.com.
Also, we have some instructions on how to customize or how to set up a single sign-on on our website. You can just Google it if you want, or send us an email and we will provide you with all the instructions.
Yeah, I think that's the same for Josie Baker, the same response for Josie Baker. So if you could please send us a request to support@iSpringSolutions.com, that would be wonderful.
See that.
All right, just one moment. Let me quickly look through the other questions, if we still have any of them left. And also, guys, some of you have been asking if we do have a YouTube channel with other webinars and helpful video tutorials. Yes, we do. I'm sending the link to it right now. And our name on YouTube is iSpring Pro. Okay, YouTube channel. All right. Shared it in the chat. And also some of you asked if we will be sharing the Q&A, the questions coming in the Q&A and the links. The links will all be shared in the under the YouTube video. So all the info will be shared there. So I hope that helps. And it looks like at this point we have covered all the questions coming.
Can I
during
quickly,
today's
Paulina, sorry for interrupting you. Can I quickly answer one of the questions from Judy?
Yes, absolutely.
Thanks. Can you run it as a slideshow? Actually, there is no, actually, you can play your slides, only slides in a slideshow mode. However, to play all the interactions or quizzes or videos from the YouTube, you should just click on preview or publish your presentation. And only after that, they will be shown in the published version. That's all.
Thank you very much. Okay, so again, guys, thank you very much for joining us today. We really, really appreciate it. You've been so active, so many questions. We hope you found this webinar useful. And thank you very much, Roxy, for the wonderful session you did the first time. I hope that you will keep doing those webinars. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Paulina.
And also thanks to you, Sophia, for covering the questions during the session and also helping with the Q&A at the end of our live session today. So the recording of this session I will be sharing with you guys sometime tomorrow. It will also go live on YouTube tonight and will be also uploaded to our website. And I will be sending all the emails that you have shared with us regarding the special offer with Roxy. So she will get back to you after the webinar. All right. Session, and we will see you at our next webinars. And by the way, let me quickly share the link to our next webinar. Just one moment. It will be held by our client and Mike Sarantola, and he will be talking about how to engage your learners with branching scenarios. So yeah, here's the registration link. You're more than welcome to use to subscribe to, to sign up for this webinar. Okay, hope everyone has a wonderful day and see you at the next webinar. Bye, Roxy. Bye, Sophia. Bye, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.